and Geeta are running on a circular track in opposite direction from same time at same point with the speeds 10 meter per second, 12 meter per second respectively. Radius of the track is 140 meters. At how many distinct points they will meet? So you need to identify how many points. So we have to discuss more about this question. వెనక ఏకు ఓన్లీ ఫ్రంట్ లైన్లోనే వెయ్యి. వాళ్ళకి అవసరమైతే ముందుకొచ్చి కూర్చుంటారు, లేదంటే వెనక్కి కూర్చుంటారు చీకట్లో, వాళ్ళ ఇష్టం. ఓన్లీ ఫ్రంట్ లైన్, ఓకేనా? ఫ్యూచర్లో ఫ్యాన్లు ఏమన్నా కానీ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రంట్ లైనే వెయ్యండి. వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ కూర్చొని మా నెత్తి మీద ఉన్న ఫ్యాన్ తిరగాలి అని అంటే కుదరదు, మా నెత్తి మీద ఉన్న లైట్ వెలగాలి అని అంటే కుదరదు. ఓన్లీ ఫ్రంట్ లైనే వేయండి, వాళ్ళ ఇష్టం. కావాలంటే కూర్చుంటారు, లేకపోతే వాళ్ళ ఇష్టం. క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది కదా మీకు కూడా? ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళు ఒక్కో బెంచీలో కూర్చొని పైకి చూస్తా ఫ్యాన్ తిరగదేంటి అని కష్టం. మారాలి మీరు కూడా. ముందుకు రండి అంటే బాయ్స్ వెనక 4 మెంబర్స్ ఏమో ఉన్నారు. ఒక ఆయన అట్లానే కూర్చొని చూస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. ఆయన ఎవరో కూడా నేను చూడాలి, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల. మళ్ళీ రెండోసారి చెప్తే కానీ రాలే ఆయన. మీకు కూడా అంతే. కనీసం మగపిల్లలు ముందుకు వచ్చారు, మీరు రాను కూడా రాలా. ఇంకా అట్లా తయారయ్యారు, ఏం చేస్తాం? ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ యూ, రైట్? సో వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, there are couple of points you need to know. See, there is a circular track, 2 members are at the same point. They are moving in what direction? Opposite direction, right? So now if they want to meet each other, what is the distance between both the persons? Full circle, right? Distance between them is full circle, which is perimeter. So first of all we need to calculate perimeter of the circle. Perimeter 2 pi r. Radius mentioned as 140. 7 how many times? 20 times. So now I don't want to calculate this value. Let me write it as 40 into 22. This is the track length. We call it as distance. If the question is, when they are moving in opposite direction, after how much time will they meet? Listen carefully, couple of questions are there. After how much time will they meet? If that is what your question, time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 40 into 22. Speed we have to consider relative speed because they are moving in opposite direction. Relative speed s1 plus s2, clear? Which is 22. That means we can say after 40 seconds they both will meet each other. Now understand, this is your circular track. Both are moving in opposite direction. One fellow is coming this way, the other fellow is coming this way. At certain point of time they both will meet each other. Let us assume this way. Then from here again both will be moving in opposite direction only. Second time somewhere around here they will meet. Third time somewhere here they will meet. So like that, if they are meeting in a circular way, if the question is after how much time will they meet for the first time, it is 40 seconds. Second time how much time will they take? For the second time how much time will they take? Again 40 more seconds. ఒక సర్కిల్ తిరగటానికి 40 సెకండ్స్ టైం పట్టిందమ్మా. ఇక్కడ మీట్ అయ్యారు అనుకుందాం కొంచెం సేపు. అక్కడి నుంచి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఇద్దరికి మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ ఎంత ఉంది? మళ్ళీ ఫుల్ సర్కిలే కదా. ఒక సర్కిల్ తిరగటానికి 40 సెకండ్స్ అన్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ రెండోసారి సర్కిల్ కూడా 40 కదా. సో సెకండ్ టైం ఎక్కడో ఇక్కడ మీట్ అయ్యారని అనుకుందాం ఇంకొక పాయింట్లో. అక్కడి నుంచి చూసినా ఇద్దరు అగైన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్లోకి తిరిగేది. సో ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ దే టేక్ 40 సెకండ్స్ టు మీట్ ఈచ్ అదర్. క్లియర్? Right. But the question is, at how many distinct points they will meet? ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర డిఫరెంట్ పాయింట్స్లో మీట్ అవుతారు అని అన్నారు. దీనికి డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా ఉండదు, దీనికి టెక్నిక్ ఉంది. టెక్నిక్ ఏంటి అని అంటే, దే బోత్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సేమ్ ప్లేస్, రైట్? లెట్ us calculate how much time will they meet together at the starting point. ఇక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. మనం ఏం చేద్దాం? మీటింగ్ పాయింట్ ఈ 40 సెకండ్స్ అనేది ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం. First time need not to be at the starting point. Somewhere on the track. Again, somewhere on the track. Like that, after some number of times, they definitely meet at the starting point. So let us identify how much time will they take to meet at the starting point. For example, if the answer is 40 seconds, 400 seconds, they will take 400 seconds to meet at the starting point. If that is what your question. For each time they take 40 seconds, and to meet at the starting point, if they are taking 400 seconds, number of times that they meet is divided by 40, and answer is 10 times we can say. అర్థమైందా పాయింట్? మధ్యలో ఎక్కడెక్కడో మీట్ అవుతున్నారు, కానీ మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్కి ఎక్కడో చోట వస్తారు కదా. సో మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ రావడానికి ఎంత టైమో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దాము. డివైడెడ్ బై ఫస్ట్ టైం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేయడానికి, ఫస్ట్ టైం మీట్ అవ్వడానికి పట్టే టైం తోటి డివైడ్ చేసినట్లయితే మధ్యలో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఎన్ని మీట్ అయ్యారో తెలిసిపోతుంది. అదే డిస్టింక్ట్ పాయింట్స్ కదా, అవునా కదా? నౌ లెట్ us calculate how much time do they take to meet at the starting point. ఎప్పుడైతే స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ అని అన్నామో, time to meet at the starting point, the entire concept is different. So far, for the first time to meet each other for the first time, for that question, what concept did we use? Come on, మీ కళ్ళకు కనపడతా ఉందమ్మా. What concept did we use? Time and distance. If it is at the starting point, what concept we are supposed to use? Amma, the one who gives correct answer, I'll give you a Parker pen in my next class on Monday. The question is time that they take to meet at the starting point. కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి పెన్ ఇస్తా. నా జేబులో పెన్ లేదు యాక్చువల్గా, వాళ్ళ పాకెట్ లేదు, లేదంటే ఉన్నదే ఇచ్చేసేవాడిని. నోబడీ? ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎల్సిఎం కాన్సెప్ట్. It is LCM concept. Now, this is the circle. First person is here. Track length is 40 into 22. Time that he takes to meet at the starting point is, he has to cover complete circle, and his speed is 10 meter per second. That means he takes 88 seconds to meet at the starting point. To cover full track, he need 88 seconds. This is for the first person. Now, second person also need to cover full track, whose length is 40 into 22. But he is moving with the speed 12 meter per second, 4 10 times, and this is 3 times. That is 220 by 3 seconds. That means first person will reach the starting point after every 88 seconds. That is 88, 176, 88 multiple. Second person meet at the starting point again after every 220 by 3 seconds. If you are expecting both need to meet at the starting point, that time must be a multiple of 88, then only first person will come. And that time must be 220 by 3 multiple, then only second person will come. So your answer should be a common multiple for those two numbers. The moment I said common multiple, it is least common multiple. So we need to take LCM of these two numbers, which is equal to 440 seconds. In 440, 88 divides for how many times? 5 times. And 220 by 3 will cancel 440 by 6 times. Yes? So, to reach the starting point, we need to go for LCM of 88 and 220 by 3. Answer is 440 seconds. So, number of times that they meet at different places is 440 divided by 40. Answer is 11 times. Don't ask me which is not there in option. Examiner may be wrong, but the answer is right. For first time, it takes 40 seconds. To meet at the starting point, it takes 440 seconds. So number of distinct points is going to be 440 by 40. Answer is 11 times. That's the final answer. If the question is, after how much time do they meet each other? 40 seconds, which is there an option. But for that question, correct answer is 11. That is final. Now do remember, from this question you need to remember one point. If the question is, after how much time do they meet for the first time? If it is for the first time, which concept? Time and distance concept. After how much time do they meet at the starting point? Starting point, LCM concept. Entirely concept is different. Yes? Right. Let's complete it fast. You want me to discuss this? Say yes or no? Yes or no? No. 53? Come on, yes or no? Don't want? Yeah. Because we spent a lot of time for the first question, so you need to solve it. Right. So now for this question, you need to, because you are given cosecant theta is equal to 2 by 3, you can assume theta value, not assume, you can calculate theta value. How much is theta? 60 degrees. Just substitute 60 degrees in the question, then you will easily get the answer. That is one way. The other way, if you want to form the triangle and then get the answer, I think you can substitute theta 60 degrees and get the answer. Can you do that? If you can do that, I will tell you the triangle method. Alright. So now, if the cosecant theta is equal to 2 by 3, opposite side root 3, hypotenuse 2, adjacent side is 1. Correct? Can you calculate how much is tan theta from the triangle? Yes, root 3. Can you calculate how much is cos theta? Yes, 1 by 2. Can you calculate sin square 2 theta? Sin square 2 theta we have. So first you need to calculate sin 2 theta and then you need to take square. Sin 2 theta in the sense 2 sin theta cos theta. Right. Now let us use it. Root 3 into tan theta root 3 plus root 3 by 2 into cos theta 1 by 2 plus, when you calculate sin 2 theta, that is 2 into sin theta root 3 by 2 into cos theta 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, which is root 3 by 2. But there we have sin square 2 theta. When you take square of root 3 by 2, it's going to be 3 by 4. Correct? So this is 3 plus root 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Simplify this, you will get 15 root 3 by 4. Final answer, second option. The same you will get if you substitute theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. The area of the right angle triangle is 504 square centimeters and its hypotenuse is 65. The perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle, right. So this is what we have. This is A and this is B. Hypotenuse already mentioned as 65. As this is a right angle triangle, it has to be a Pythagoras triplet. If you can identify Pythagoras triplet which includes 65, you are done with the answer actually. Do you know the combination? When you don't know the combination which includes 65, we have to calculate. Now, according to this, we can know A square plus B square is equal to 65 square. That is 42, 25. 6 7 42, 25. Correct? And again, you were given area of the rectangle, which is half into base into height, which is AB by 2 is equal to 504. Then A into B is equal to 1008. Now, let us assume A plus B whole square formula, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. That means 42, 25. A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is 2016. Value is 62, 41. Yes, 6241. 6241 is which number square? 79. So now a plus b is equal to 79. But we were asked to calculate perimeter. We need to add hypotenuse also. Answer must end with 4. That is 144. Third option, final answer. If you want to reduce the simplification, you need to know the Pythagoras triplet combination where it includes 65. Over. A TV marked at 30,000 is sold at a discount of successive discounts of 10%, 15%, and additional discount of 10% is offered for card payment. The selling price of the TV at card payment is okay. Now, we were asked to calculate selling price, right? How many discounts have given? 3 successive discounts. One is 10%, the other is 15%, and again 10 more percentage. Correct? Right. What is first discount? When there is 10% discount, they will sell the item at 90% of some number. This is after first discount, correct? Upon this, again they have to give 2 more discounts, correct? I'll stop here. After first discount, when you calculate 90%, this is going to be 9 multiple. Upon 9 multiple, whatever percentage you calculate, that is going to be 9 multiple, correct? Again, if you take difference also, that is going to be 9 multiple. So you know that answer is 9 multiple. Agreed or not? Right, come to the options. Can it be first option? 4 plus 5, 9 is over, remaining 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5. No. Can it be second option? Yes. Can it be third option? Yes. Can it be fourth option? But when you apply 9 multiplication rule, there are 2 options. Now, again you can go with some other logic. Let me tell you. What is first discount? 10%. Second discount? Apart from these two, again one more discount is there. Third one, forget about third one for some time. From first 2 discounts, can I say my approximate discount is approximately 25%? First is 10, second is 15. It is not exactly 25%, but approximately 25%. Agreed or not? What is market price? 30,000. 25% of that number, 7,500. Yes. If you give 7,500 discount, it becomes 22,500. Again, you have to give third option, third discount. Again, it will be definitely less than 22,500. Now come to those 2 options which are left. Third cannot be answered. Second, final answer. Otherwise, you'll have to start with 30,000. 10% discount is given. It becomes 27,000. Again, calculate 15% of this number. Again, you'll get some number. Again, you need to give 10% more. This is what required. PQ undertake a piece of work for 19,908. P can do it in 30 days and Q can do it in 40 days. With the help of R, they finished it in 10 days. How much R should be paid for work in proportion? Okay, now P, Q, R, 3 members are there. P can do it in 30, Q 40, P, Q, R all together can do it in 10. LCM 120. Total work is 120. P will be doing 4 units. Q will be doing 3 units. Altogether 12 units. From this, R will do 12 units of work is work done by P, Q, R. Among 12 units, P, Q both together will do 7. Remaining. So now when you want to calculate R share, R is getting 5 units. Out of P, Q, R share, 12 units. Among total amount, 19,908. Clear? Right. So now, when you observe 19,908, which is a multiple of 9, in the denominator we have 12, where you have 3 multiplication. First, let me cancel that 3. 4 times, 3, 6 times, 6 times, 3 times, 6 times. Again you can cancel 6,636, 6,636 with 4 and then again multiply it with 5. That is That will give you answer, but I don't want to do it now. Now observe, in the numerator 6636, which is a even number, and you also have 5 multiple. When you have 5 multiple and then even number, no, in the denominator also you have even number, right? So forget about this number. In the numerator you have 5 multiple. Yes? Is it 5 multiple or 5 square multiple? It is 5 multiple only. So answer must be 5 multiple. You can eliminate one option. You can eliminate second option because that is 5 square multiple. 5 square multiple ends with 25, 50, 75, 00. But this is only 5 multiple, correct? And 6636 is a multiple of, somebody said, 3. So answer must be 3 multiple. Right. 6636, is it 9 multiple? 6636, is it 9 multiple? It is only 3 multiple. Now, can it be first option? 9 తీసేయండమ్మా, 8 plus 5, 13. No. Can it be third option? Can it be third option? Think carefully. I told you already, it should be only 3 multiple but not 9 multiple. Third option is 9 multiple also. Can it be third option? When 3 are not right answers, fourth has to be your answer. Done. Over. Otherwise you'll have to calculate. మీకు ఒప్పుకుందంటే చేసుకోండి. In a 150 liters of mixture of milk and water, percentage of water is only 40%. The milkman gave 45 liters of this milk to a customer. So how much is left? 105. Even in 105 liters, water must be 40% only. That is 42 liters. Then remaining is 63. Antena? Right. So, and then customer added 28 liters of pure milk. 28 liters of milk added. 14 liters of pure water is added. So how much of total water component we have? 56. How much total component of milk we have? 91. What is the percentage of quantity of milk in the new mixer? How much milk we have? 91. Out of total? 147. Percentage into 100. Correct? You can go with 7 cancellation, but I don't want to do that. What is 50% of the denominator? 73.5. How much more we need to add to make it 91 numerator? 17.5. How much more we need to add? 17.5. What is 10% of denominator? 14.7. Now, so far we have 73 now? Yes. So far we have 88.2. Agreed? How much more we need to add now to make it 91? 2.8. How much we need to add? 2.8. What is 1% of the denominator? 1.47. What is 2%? 2.94. But we just need to add only 2.8. When you calculate 2%, it is 2.94. So I can say this value is less than 2%. So answer must be close to 62%, but less than 62. Look at your options. There is only one third option, final answer. Third option. 59. Do you want me to discuss? 60. 8 years ago, the average age of the family of 5 members was 25 years. 2 children having been born, the average age of the family remains the same as present. If the age of the elder is 4 years more than the age of the younger, then the age of the younger one is. Now, those 2 kids, A, B, difference of their age is 4. That's what mentioned in the question. Correct? Now, if I want to calculate sum of ages of these 2 people, already 5 people are there. Their average is mentioned. There is some gap. 2 people were born. Now there are 7 members in the family. After that also, at present average is same as before they said. So that means initial average was 25. So at present average is also 25. How many members are there? 7. Their sum is equal to 7 into 25. From this, we have to subtract 5 members age. Then only we will get sum of ages of those 2 people. Correct? Initially 5 members are there and their average was mentioned as 25 years. How many years back? So to calculate present average for each member we have to add 8 years. That means average also increases by 8 years and it becomes 30, 33, 5, 7, 25 times 175 minus 165. That means sum of their age is equal to 10. So A plus B is equal to 10. Now whose age we want to calculate? Younger or elder? Younger in the sense smaller one, that is B, which is difference by 2 only, which is equal to 3 years. If at all, if you are asked to calculate elder one, which is sum divided by 2, in that case it would be 7. Then 61. You want or you don't want? Yes, sir? Okay. What is this? The pie chart shows the number of COVID-19 tests conducted in 5 villages and the table shows the percentage of COVID positive cases. Okay. Total population of village Q is equal to 3600. Q in terms of degrees is mentioned as 120. Then 1 degree value is equal to divided by 120, that is 30. Correct? Correct? What is 30? What is 30? 1 degree value. Remember that. In villages, COVID positive cases. Okay, now come to the question. If there are 120 female who resulted as COVID positive in village T, then how many male resulted as COVID positive in same village? This is regarding village T. In village T, what percent are positive cases? 12%. 12% of some number. Before going to solution, I would like to calculate something. 12% of some number we need to calculate, which must be a 3 multiple. Because 12 is 3 multiple, correct? So, whatever the calculation that you have, that includes COVID positive cases from village T, which includes both male and female only. Sum of these two is a multiple of 3, wherein you already said female are 120, which is already 3 multiple. Sum is also 3 multiple. Then male also should be 3 multiple. When you look at your options, there are 2 options which are 3 multiples. So we have to calculate. Ardhamainda? Alright, come on. So now, if you do this, village T, total population of village T, what percent it is? 55 degrees. So 55 degrees. So now, if you have done the previous calculation already, wait a minute. Already first option and third option both are eliminated, right? Right. Answer is either second option or fourth option. When you calculate 55 degrees, is it going to be 11 multiple? Upon 11 multiple, again if you calculate 12%, whatever the percentage, upon 11 multiple, whatever percentage you calculate, that is going to be 11 multiple. So sum of male COVID positive cases, female COVID positive cases, sum must be a multiple of 11. Sum must be a multiple of 11. Already female mentioned as 120. We need to find out male. If you pick second option, how many people will be there? 192. Is 192 a multiple of 11? Then this cannot be your answer. Fourth option, final answer, which is 78. Answer is 198, which is 11 multiple. అర్థమైందా? అలా కాకుండా మొత్తం చేయడానికే స్టార్ట్ చేశారని అనుకుందాం. 55 degrees in the sense 55 into 1 degree value, which is 30. Upon 30 we have to calculate 12% only. మాట్లాడాలి. 12% in the sense 12 by 100. 1 0 got cancelled. I'll take 55 as 5 into 11. Keep 11 here. 12, 2 into 6. I'll write 6. So what is taken here? From 55, 5 is taken. From 12, 2 is taken. 5 into 2 in the sense 10. 10 in the sense I can cancel denominator 0. Now this is 33 into 6, which is 198. Out of this, 120 are female, remaining 78 are male. Okay, now. The length of the longest bamboo stick that can be placed in a room is 38. So if this is a room, what is the length of longest stick that we can place? Right from this corner to bottom corner of the other end, right? So that must be the diagonal of this room. So diagonal in the sense, for a cuboid, diagonal in the sense, a square, otherwise length square plus breadth square plus height square, correct? And the length is mentioned as 38. So 38 square must be equal to length of the room mentioned as 30 square, breadth of the room mentioned as 16 square, and we need to calculate height. If all the options are in integers, we can go with last digit verification. Ardhamautunda? Right. But now we cannot do that. We need to calculate the value. Actually, indulo kuda cheppachu. 38 square ends with 4. 30 square ends with 16 square ends with 6. That means h square in the sense 38 square minus 30 square minus 16 square only. Right. 8 square entamma? 4 minus 0 minus 6. That means h square must end with 8. But we were asked to calculate h only, right? To calculate h square, you need to take under root square of this number. 10 square ends with 0. Under root 2 square ends with 2. 100 into 2 ends with 200. Can this be your answer? No. 12 square ends with 4. Root 2 square 2. 144 into 2 ends with 8. 14 square ends with root 2 square ends with 2. This value ends with 2. So first cannot be your answer. Third cannot be your answer. 16 square ends with 6 into 2 ends with 2. This cannot be your answer. Second option, final answer. Otherwise, you'll have to simplify this. We verified last digit verification. Are you following? So right now, A value mentioned, B value mentioned, A is equal to minus B. From this, can I say A plus B is equal to 0? Let me write that. A value 27x cube plus 108x square plus 144x plus 64 is equal to 0, and we were asked to calculate x value. That means we need to find out factors. If it is a quadratic equation, probably we can try, but it is a cubic equation, it takes long time, correct? So let's apply logics. Now look at this. Left hand side, all are positive only, right? And right hand side, that is equal to 0, right? Then x value must be definitely, if x is positive, x cube value, x square value, x value, all are going to be positive. Sum of 4 positive numbers, can it be 0? So can x be a positive number? Then x must be a negative number. 2 options eliminated. Now you are left with third option and then fourth option. When you observe it, observe the denominator. 27x cube we have. Here we have 27, coefficient of x cube. For x square we have 108 coefficient. 27 in the sense, this is 3 cube, right? 108, that is 3 square, right? 27, 9 multiple, am I right? So to eliminate 27, x should have a denominator 3 then only x cube denominator becomes 27. X square denominator becomes 9. 9 can be cancelled with 108. Yes. And even here also 144 into 1 by 3. 3 cancellation. So x must end with x denominator must end with 3 and it should be a negative number. Like that, how many options are there? Only one. Final answer. I am just verifying the denominator and sign, whether it's going to be positive or negative. So the number is divisible by, that's what we were asked to calculate. Okay, so now for these type of questions, I suggest you to observe options first. 74, 2 times of 37, where 37 is a prime number. 64, 8 square. 54, 9 multiple. Fourth option 44, 11 multiple. So if the original number is 9 multiple, probably we can verify this. If the original number is 11 multiple, we can verify this. If the original number is 8 multiple, probably we can verify this. Correct? Not only 8 multiple, again after that it has to be 8 more multiple. Because 64 is 8 square. You cannot simply rely on 8 multiple. You have to verify 8 square multiple. Yes? So out of all these, what is easy? 9 multiple and 11 multiple. They are easy to calculate. Correct? Let me verify whether it is 9 multiple or not. 7 plus 2, 9 over. 5 plus 4 over. 5 plus 4 over. Leftover number 3. Is it 9 multiple? When the original number is not 9 multiple, it cannot be fourth option, eliminated. So next possibility, 11 multiple, come on. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So difference of alternative number sum is 0, hence it is 11 multiple. We can directly go with this as final answer. Yes. In fact, you can write 44 as 11 into 4. 11 multiple is there. 4 multiplication. How do you verify whether a number is 4 multiple or not? Last 2 digits. 12. 12 is 4 multiple. So it is 4 multiple as well as 11 multiple. Yes? Come on. The compound interest on 16,000 for 2 years and 6 months at 20% per annum. Okay. Come on. We were asked to calculate compound interest. Principal. Start with the principal. It is so easy. Don't worry about compound interest questions. First year, what percent we have to calculate? 20%, which is 3,200 only. Then value becomes 19,200. Second year, again 20% we have to calculate. Come on. 3,840. Antena. Then after second year, you will have 23,004. Yes? Do we have third year? Do we have third year? No. How much more years we have? 6 months. That means half year only. For full year, rate of interest is 20%. For half year, it must be 10%. 10% is 2304. That means 25,344 becomes amount. Whereas your principal is 16,000. Compound interest in the sense difference of these two numbers only, which is 9,344 over. Over. Come on, Pillalu. The value of a mobile phone decreases every year by 15% of the value on previous year. The value of the mobile phone at present is 66,470. Then what is the value of the mobile phone 2 years back? 2 years back, let it be X. Every year, will it increase or decrease? Decrease by 15% only. If it decreases by 15%, it becomes 85%. This becomes value of the mobile after 1 year, correct? After 1 more year, in the sense, again it decreases by 15%. Then again it becomes 85%. And this value is 66,470. Are you comfortable in getting cancellation? No. Then you are not supposed to use this method. Now what to do? Come. Observe your number. 66,470. Now your answer is in options. Come to options and just look at those numbers. The moment you see 90,000, you can verify 9 multiplication. Yes. If the original number is 9 multiple, whatever the percentage you calculate, answer is also 9 multiple. Right. Now, if the answer is fourth option, which is a 9 multiple, then our number also must be 9 multiple. Let's see, is your number 9 multiple or not? Is your number 9 multiple? Sum of digits 23 kadamma. Is your original number 66,470? Is it 9 multiple? So can this be fourth option? No. Now look at 75,000, which is 3 multiple. If the original number is 3 multiple, whatever percentage you calculate, again that should be 3 multiple. Sum of digits you got it as 23 only. Is 23 3 multiple? So third option also cannot be your answer. You are left with 92,000 and then 82,000. Correct? Correct? Right. Answer is either first or second. We cannot rely on any more multiplications because you don't have 3, 5, 7, 3, 7, 9, 11. Multiples are not there. So now what I will do is, after every time, how much percentage it decreases? 15%. Like that it decreases for how many times? 2 times. So for 2 times together, can I approximately take it as 30%? It is not exactly 30%, I too know that. But can we take approximately 30%? Yes. If it is first option, what is 10%? 9,200. 30% in the sense, approximately 27,000. From 92,000, approximately if you subtract 27,000, is it nearby your number or not? Yes or no? You can go with first option. If not confident, pick the second option also. 82,000. What is 30%? Would be approximately 24,000. If you subtract 24,000, it is going to be 58,000 only. But our number is 66,000 something. Can it be second option? No. If not second, it has to be first. అర్థమైందా? లేదంటే ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్కి వెళ్ళాలి, మీ ఇష్టం. 9 మల్టిపుల్ లేదు, ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ కాదు. 3 మల్టిపుల్ లేదు, థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ కాదు. అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 30% క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకున్నాను, దీనిలోంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 30%, అది అక్కడికే వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. Anu spent 15% of his monthly income on children education and 20% on food, 40% of the remaining. So far we need to calculate remaining. Already 15, 20 over. Remaining 65, 35 is over, right? Upon remaining 40% she spent on sport, 30% on transport. So out of remaining 40 and 30, which is 70, is over, right? How much is remaining? 30% of this number, which is 19.5%. 6.5, 3 times. Come on. She is left with an amount of 10,257. This means 19.5% is equal to 10,257. We were asked to calculate monthly income. That means 100% we have to calculate. There is no other shortcut. Multiplication rule. Nothing is applied here. Need to calculate. If you calculate, you will get 52,600. Final answer. Calculation చేయాల్సిందేనమ్మా దానికి. షార్ట్కట్స్ ఏం లేవు. ఓకేనా? మాట్లాడండి. లాస్ట్ 2 డిజిట్స్ చేయడానికి అన్ని 2 zeros ఉన్నాయి. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ రూల్స్లో ఏమీ లేవు. 19.5 3 మల్టిపుల్ ఉంది, 10,257 3 మల్టిపుల్ ఉంది. ఇంకా అది కాకుండా ఏమీ లేవు. ఎవరైనా సరే ఇంకా కొట్టేస్తా కూర్చోవాల్సిందే. అదేదో మీరు చేసేయండి. The volume of the hemisphere is mentioned. What is its total surface area? Right. So, if it is a full sphere, what is total surface area? 4 pi r square. It is half only. Come on. So, the curved surface area is 2 pi r square, but it is total surface area. That means you have to consider the top area also. Top area will look like circle. Area pi r square. That means your answer must be 3 pi r square only. As long as you have pi, answer must be 11 multiple. Can it be first option? Yes. Can it be second option? No. Can it be third option? No. Can it be fourth option? No. There is only one 11 multiple. If couple of options are there, now you can pick one more into picture. What is another weapon? 3 multiple. Because your answer must be 3 pi r square. Answer must be 3 multiple also. Avuna? Right. లేదంటే హెమిస్పియర్ వాల్యూమ్ ఎంతమ్మా 4/3 అనేది ఫుల్ కదా, దీనికి హాఫే కాబట్టి 2/3 పై r cube is equal to 19,404. You need to calculate r value from this and then you need to calculate 3 pi r square. Not required. Yes. ఆ చీకట్లు అట్లా పడిసేస్తారు కానీ ముందుకు మాత్రం రారా? ఏయ్ లైట్ లైట్. Square root. Now when you observe square root, 196. So I can write it as 14x whole square, correct? Plus b value, keep it aside. C value, what is C value? 25 by 4. Can we write it as 5 by 2 whole square? Now let's see middle number b value. Is it in the form of 2ab or not? 2 into 14x into 5 by 2, that is 70x only. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square format. So you can definitely write it as 14x plus 5 by 2 whole square. Yes? If it is equal to 0, you can say roots of the equation are plus or minus 14x plus 5 by 2. First option, final answer. Plus or minus ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి. స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్ స్క్వేర్ అయినా పాజిటివే, నెగిటివ్ స్క్వేర్ అయినా పాజిటివే కాబట్టి ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి. The profit obtained by selling an article for 10,650 is double the loss incurred when the same article is sold for 8,436. Right. So now observe, profit will be on positive side. I will take cost price at the middle. X axis ఉందనుకోండమ్మా, 0 పాయింట్ దగ్గర నేను కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అని తీసుకుంటే పాజిటివ్ విల్ బి ఆన్ పాజిటివ్, ప్రాఫిట్ విల్ బి ఆన్ పాజిటివ్ సైడ్. కమ్ ఆన్. Loss will be on negative side. Okay. Profit obtained by selling this at 10,650 is twice the loss. Now tell me, I don't want to write the equation here. If you want me to write the equation, it's going to be lengthy. 10,650 is selling price, that must be equal to cost price plus profit. 8,436 is also selling price. Here we made a loss, cost price minus. The loss is x, cost profit is 2x, double this set. Need to solve the equation and need to get cost price value. Yes, but I don't want to use this. Now when you read this statement, you can immediately decide profit is twice the loss. If the loss is x, profit becomes 2x. Loss in the sense minus x, profit in the sense 2x. Difference between minus x and plus 2x, 3x. 3x is equal to difference between selling prices only. 10,650 is 650 more than 10,000. 8,436 is 1,564 less than 10,000. So difference between these two numbers is 2,214. Agreed? If 3x is equal to 2,214, x is equal to 7 times, 3 times, 8 times. So x value is equal to 738. What was treated as x? Profit or loss? Profit or loss? Loss was x, profit was 2x. Do you remember? To calculate cost price to the number 8,436, we need to add the loss, which is 738. Otherwise, or to the number 10,650, which includes 2 times of x. So you need to subtract it, then you will get cost price. 2 times of x in the sense, which is 1476. whatever you do, you will get the answer. Answer must end with 4. Multiple options ఉన్నాయి కదా, కమన్ చేసేద్దాం. 36, 38, 74. Answer must end with 74. అబ్బా సూపర్. 74 అంతవరకు అయిపోయింది. 84 plus 7 which is 91. 91, 74, final answer, third option. Okay na. Sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 48 more than the average of these two numbers. What is the sum of lowest and then highest odd numbers? Okay. How many consecutive numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Average will be middle number between second and third. How many numbers are there? 4. Sum of numbers is 4x only. Average multiplied by number of numbers, correct? So sum of numbers is 4x, average is x, difference is 3x. So 3x is equal to 48, x is equal to 16. We were asked to calculate sum of least and then highest. Sum of least and highest in the sense that is 2x only. ఇదేమో x minus 3 అమ్మ, ఇదేమో x plus 3, plus 3 minus 3 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి కదా. ఆ రామాయణం లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా 2x రాసేయచ్చు కదా. 2x is 32 ఓవర్. చాలా సింపుల్ ఇది. 3x is equal to 48, 2x is equal to how much? అంతే ఆన్సర్, ఏం లేదు దానిలో. 1, 2, 3, 4. Treat average as x, which is middle number between these two. Sum of numbers is 4x, average is x, difference is 3x, which is 48. Sum of least and highest is 2x. Done. Sum of largest and least అన్నా, sum of middle two numbers అన్నా, ఏది చేసినా కానీ 2x వస్తుంది. నంబర్ సిస్టమ్ మీద గ్రిప్ ఉంటే అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది అది. 4 numbers ఉన్నాయి నాన్న, ఇక్కడ ఇది x అనుకున్నాం, ఈ నెంబర్ x minus 1 ఏనా, ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ x minus 3 ఏనా, ఇది x plus 1 ఏనా, ఇది x plus 3 ఏనా, మిడిల్ 2 నెంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేసినా, ఫస్ట్ అండ్ లాస్ట్ని యాడ్ చేసినా ఏదైనా 2xే కదా. ఈక్వి డిస్టెంట్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏంటది వర్డ్, ఈక్వి డిస్టెంట్. ఎంత పాజిటివ్ ఉందో అంత నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి 2xే కదా వచ్చేది. యు వాంట్ కమాన్ 60% ఆర్ ఎబోవ్కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయమన్నారు. సో ఈ 35 మెంబర్స్ 60 మార్క్స్ అండ్ ఎబోవ్ ఉన్నట్లనేనా? మాట్లాడరు. ఈ 35లో 10 కూడా ఉందిగా. సో యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్, కన్సిడర్ దీస్ నంబర్స్. ఈ 150లో ఈ అన్ని కేటగిరీలు ఉంటారు. 60% ఆర్ ఎబోవ్ మార్క్స్ వచ్చినాయి అని అంటే దానిలో 80% వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేశారు కదా. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 60% కన్సిడర్ చేయమన్నారు. ఏసీకి which is 68, and then BC ki 40 and 45 which is 85. 17th cancellation 4 times 5 times ratio adigaru, 4:5 answer ante. Okay na. Total surface area of the cube is mentioned as 12,150 square centimeters. Then what is the volume? Volume adigaru. Okay, so 6a square is equal to 12,150. Then a square is equal to divided by 6. Am I right? మాట్లాడండి. రైట్. ఇంతటితో ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి అమ్మా. న్యూమరేటర్లో 9 మల్టిపుల్ ఉందా? డినామినేటర్లో 9 మల్టిపుల్ ఉందా? 3 మల్టిపుల్ ఉందా? అంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఈ వాల్యూలో 3 మల్టిపుల్ ఉంది కదా. ఇంకా కరెక్ట్గా మీరు ఆ 3ని కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేస్తే న్యూమరేటర్లో 9 మల్టిపులే వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే we verified only 9 multiple, we did not verify whether it is a 27 multiple or not. న్యూమరేటర్లో యాక్చువల్గా 27 మల్టిపుల్ ఉంది, అంటే 3 క్యూబ్ మల్టిపుల్ ఉంది. డినామినేటర్లో ఒక 3 ఉంది, అది క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది. అంటే న్యూమరేటర్లో 9 మల్టిపుల్ మిగిలింది. ఏ స్క్వేర్ 9 మల్టిపుల్ అయితే ఏ 3 మల్టిపుల్ అనే కదా. అంటే ఏ క్యూబ్ కదా మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాల్సింది వాల్యూమ్ అంటే. ఏ అనేది 3 మల్టిపుల్ అయితే ఏ క్యూబ్ అనేది 3 క్యూబ్ మల్టిపుల్ అవ్వాలి కదా. 3 క్యూబ్ మల్టిపుల్ అయింది అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ 9 మల్టిపుల్ గ్యారెంటీగా వెరిఫై చేయొచ్చా? కెన్ ఇట్ బి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్? కెన్ ఇట్ బి సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్? టక్క టక్క అయిపోవాలి. నో. కెన్ ఇట్ బి థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్? 7 2 9 అయిపోయింది, 4 5 9 అయిపోయింది, మిగిలింది 8, ఇది కూడా కాదు. అంటే లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇదంతా 9/27 ఇదంతా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయకుండా మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే 12,150 is 9 multiple. In the denominator we don't have 9 multiple. You have only 3 multiple. If you go for cancellation, a square is 3 multiple. If you observe carefully, it will be 3 square multiple. Then definitely a must be 3 multiple. Volume is a cube. It has to be 27 multiple. We are going and verifying 9 multiplication. Okay now. ఇప్పుడు ఇందులోనే ఇన్ కేస్ ఆప్షన్స్లో √3 అలా ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండమ్మా, అప్పుడు వెరిఫై చేయడం కష్టం అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఎందుకంటే ఏ స్క్వేర్ 3 మల్టిపుల్ అయితే ఏ అనేది √3 మల్టిపులేగా, ఏ క్యూబ్ అనేది 3√3 మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. √3 ఉంది కాబట్టి మిగిలిన నెంబర్లో మనం ఓన్లీ 3 మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మాత్రమే వెరిఫై చేయగలం. ఓకే, √3 లేవు కాబట్టి ఏ స్క్వేర్ అనేది 3 మల్టిపుల్ కనపడినప్పుడు ఇండైరెక్ట్గా మనం తీసేసుకోవచ్చు, అది 3 మల్టిపుల్ కాదు 9 మల్టిపుల్. ఓకేనా? అబ్బా, 12,150 డివైడెడ్ బై 6, 3తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి, 2 టైమ్స్ 4 0 5 0. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి న్యూమరేటర్లో ఏం కనపడింది? 9 మల్టిపుల్. ఆ ముక్క ఇందాక చెప్తున్నాను నేను, మన కంటికి 9 కనపడింది కానీ అందులో 27 ఉంది అని చెప్పాను. ఓకేనా? ఈజీయే కదా. ఏంటి? 7.5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ -2. ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ డెసిమల్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. డెసిమల్ కొంచెంసేపు మర్చిపోండి. 75 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 25, 7 × 8 అంటే 56. ఇప్పుడు డెసిమల్ గుర్తెచ్చుకుంటే 2 పాయింట్స్ పెట్టాలి కదా. -2 అంటే 54.25 కదా. The sides of the triangle are 28 centimeters, 42 and then 56. Find the area of the triangle. Triangle area ante under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c వేయాలి. అవునా? s వాల్యూ ఎలా వస్తుంది? a plus b plus c by 2 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. అవునా? by 2 నా by 3 నా? by 2నే. 3 అన్నారు ఎవరో? by 2 అది కరెక్ట్. when you calculate this you will get it as 62, I think 62 or 63. 63 under root of s into s minus a. 63 minus 28 35. 63 minus 42 21 into ఇంతటితో ఆపేస్తా. నాకు ఇక్కడ ఒకటి కనపడింది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంకోటి కనపడింది. ఏంటది? 7 స్క్వేర్ బయటకు వస్తే 7 అవ్వాలి కదా. అంటే ఆన్సర్లో ఖచ్చితంగా 7 మల్టిపుల్ ఉండాలి కదా. 141 కాదు, 144 కాదు, 147 అవ్వచ్చు, 150 కాదు. థర్డ్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబరో కూడా రాయక్కర్లేదు మనం. ఓకేనా?